Are you an investor who wants to invest in SIP but cannot allocate money due to monthly expenses? Let's welcome financial expert Mr. Ramalingam to give a solution to this issue.
When you don't have monthly incomes to start your SIP, it will be difficult to start your SIP because you don't have money. To start an SIP, money is actually needed. So how can you bring money to start SIP is something you have to decide. We have discussed about like cutting down on unnecessary expenses. That is one way to do it. Suppose if you are like doing traditional investments, like outdated insurance policies, if you are keeping, or if you are doing RD, you can stop all those things. Life cover is important. Don't compromise on life cover. Take term insurance. Don't invest in insurance policies. Whatever the investment you are doing in insurance policies, that can be converted into debt funds. Sorry, converted into equity funds. Equity SIP, you can do it. That way, it can help you. So you can reduce your expenses, stop your less performing traditional investments, and convert that into equity SIPs for long term.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.